C-type natriuretic peptide. C-type natriuretic peptide. A natriuretic peptide produced by the endothelium in the heart, which is involved in the maintenance of electrolyte fluid balance, vascular tone, and cardiac function. It represents the paracrine element of the natriuretic peptide axis of atrial natriuretic peptide ANP and brain natriuretic peptide BNP, which promote natriuresis and diuresis, resulting in loss of sodium and water, thereby lowering blood volume and blood pressure. C-type natriuretic peptide (CNP) is the most widely expressed natriuretic peptide (NP) in the brain, chondrocytes and endothelial cells. CNP is thought to act locally, as is paracrine, autocrine, regulator, since it is cleared rapidly from the circulation and present at very low concentrations in plasma. It does not possess the potent diuretic actions that are observed with ANP and BNP, but it is well established that exogenous CNP is a potent arterial and veno dilator of isolated mammalian blood vessels. CNP has also been characterized as an endothelium-derived hyperpolarizing factor (EDHF). It also exerts direct cardiac effects where it acts as an inotropic and chronotropic agent and reduces aldosterone synthesis. Chronic regulation of blood pressure by CNP also includes a central component through suppression of adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, vasopressin, and sympathetic outflow.